Hello everyone. Today we are going to simulate the transient analysis of DC, RL and RC circuit and AC RLC circuit. Before starting, let's get some idea of the transient analysis. As the circuit elements like capacitor, inductor can store energies, they show two different characteristics in circuits. Initially, they store energy which is an exponential way, and after storing the energy, they show another type of response based on circuits. The initial process is transient analysis and the rest of the part is known as steady state response or natural response. Now we are going to simulate the transient analysis of DC RL circuit. Hopefully in previous videos you have learned how to draw schematics of circuits. That's why I am skipping this part. Before simulating, we need to change some parameters of circuit elements and the step analysis. Firstly, we have to change some parameters of the elements. For changing the parameters, double click on the element like this. A transfer window will appear. We can change the parameter from here. For this part, there is an option named keytran. By default, the value is set on 1 micro. We have to set it on 1 pico. We also need to change a parameter for inductor. There is an option named IC or initial current. In this circuit, the initial current is 0. For complex circuit, this value can other numerical values. Secondly, we need to change the setup analysis. We need to click on this icon. A transfer window will appear. We need to go on the transient option. There is some parameters we need to fill up. It is important to take suitable values of this parameter, unless we won't get the desired values of the curves. First option is pin step. It means the time interval of two adjacent points of the curve. I will take it 20 millisecond. The next option is final time. It is the total time interval of the process. Here I am going to take it 5 millisecond. I actually took the 5 times of the time constant here. The time constant is L by R, which is 1 millisecond here. Next option is no pin delay. I will make it 0. It is actually needed for larger curves where we can skip the middle portion. Next option is step ceiling. I will take it 10 millisecond. It is important for smoothing the curve because the result we get is from the solving the differential equations. Step ceiling, we can make the curve more beautiful. Now we will save it and then we will simulate. After the simulation process, this will appear on the taskbar. From this probe, we can plot different parameters of the circuits. I will plot the current of the circuit here. Look, the graph is exponential. The final value is almost 10 ampere. If we can run it for infinite time, we will surely get it 10 ampere. As in DC circuit, inductor is short circuited. This is the transient analysis of RL circuit. The process for the DC RC and AC RL circuit is completely same. That's why I have already done this before. Now I am just going to show you them quickly. First we will go to the RC circuit. Here is the RC circuit. Here we use a current source instead of a voltage source. The parameters is already changed here. So I am going to directly simulate it. I will plot the current across the capacitor. Firstly, the current value is negative, and in the finally it gets to approximately to 0. This is because the polarity of the current source is opposite to the polarity of capacitor. That's why the current value is negative, and in the final time the capacitor is open circuited, so the current is 0. Now the turn for the AC RLC circuit. The turn for the AC RLC circuit. Here I have used a AC source named B sine, the voltage source. There is another source named VAC. We won't use it here. We need to change the parameters of the source. I have already changed it before. I am going to show you again. We'll have to set DC, AC and V off to 0, V magnitude to 100 and frequency is 50 Hz. Now we will simulate it. I will plot the current of the circuit. The initial portion don't have the constant values, and finally it gets the actual sinusoidal form. This is because the transient characteristics of capacitor and inductor. And this portion, the curve is mainly the solve of the differential equation, and finally it is the sinusoidal curve. This is all the transient analysis of CRL and RLC circuit. Hopefully you guys learned from the simulation process. Thanks for watching the video.